Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're uncovering the best roaster ovens out there. If you're looking to make cooking easier, whether it's a big family meal or a quick roast, a quality roaster oven is a must-have. We'll dive into top models, features, and what to look for, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The spacious 32-quart capacity of this oven makes it ideal for large families and gatherings, with multiple presets, including pizza, roasting, air frying, toasting, bagel toasting, baking, broiling, cookie making, rotisserie, dehydrating, fermenting, and keeping food warm. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen, even when rotisserie isn't on the menu. It can hold up to 6 slices of toast, a 13-inch pizza, or a whole chicken on the rotisserie. An easy-to-read LED screen displays settings, while the dials and buttons allow simple selection of cooking mode, time, and temperature. 5 heating elements deliver faster cooking, and the interior light lets you monitor food as it cooks. The non-stick interior simplifies cleaning. Speed up your cooking with a smart air fryer toaster oven, and use the convection fan for fast, even cooking, especially if you're craving crispy results. The convection feature is perfect for a delicious rotisserie chicken. Number 2. Oster 22-quart roaster oven with self-basting lid. I typically keep customer quotes to a minimum in our pros and cons list, but I couldn't resist this time. The sheer number of exclamation points in these reviews was astounding. People were thrilled with how well this unit cooked their turkey. Reviews raved about moist, beautifully browned, delicious birds emerging from something other than a conventional oven. The Oster 22-quart roaster oven won us over thanks to the overwhelming consensus that it genuinely browns poultry to perfection. When we think of a roast, we picture meat with a crisp, golden brown exterior, yet surprisingly, half of the units we reviewed received common complaints about their inability to brown food well. Fortunately, this Oster model lives up to its title as a roaster oven. One customer did note that, while it cooks extremely well, the unit's materials feel somewhat cheap, which isn't entirely unexpected at this price point. The good news is it comes with a 1-year warranty. Though it may not be built for longevity, its affordability makes it easy to replace as needed. Number 3. Ninja AG 301 Foodie 5-in-1 Indoor Roaster Oven. This versatile countertop roaster oven goes beyond roasting. It grills, air fries, bakes, and dehydrates, making it a daily go-to for cooking everything from appetizers to desserts. Its grilling temperature ranges from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while the 4-quart air fryer basket offers ample space for family-sized servings of fries. Ideal for roasting chicken, pork, or beef, it also contains smoke, splatter, and excess heat, keeping your kitchen comfortable. Ninja's cyclonic grilling technology uses a powerful fan to circulate hot air, ensuring fast, even cooking. Our tester noted that it cooks so quickly that it's best not to leave food unattended, as roasts can easily overcook. For those looking to upgrade, the Ninja Foodie Pro version adds a smart probe, allowing you to monitor food temperature precisely without opening the lid, perfect for novice cooks aiming for exact results every time. Number 4. Nesco 4818-47 18 quarts roaster oven. This roaster oven features Nesco's exclusive circle of heat technology, which cooks food from the sides rather than the bottom. This design keeps food moist and preserves its natural flavors. With an 18-quart capacity, it can roast a turkey up to 22 pounds, making it perfect for large gatherings. In addition to roasting, this versatile electric oven can bake cakes, cookies, and pies. It's also ideal for hot dishes like soups and stews, thanks to its adjustable temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Handling, cleaning, and storing the unit is a breeze, as it's made with durable stainless steel for both the body and lid. Using 1,425 watts of power, this roaster is also highly portable, so it's easy to bring along for family outings. Adding or removing food is simple, and Nesco's circle of heat element offers even and energy-efficient cooking. The porcelain-coated surfaces resist scratches, stains, and corrosion, and the removable inner pan is dishwasher-safe for added convenience. Number 5. Instant Vortex Plus 10-in-1 Air Fryer Roaster Oven. Instant Pot has been a leader in multi-cookers for years, and their 7-in-1 Vortex Plus model functions as both an air fryer and an oven roaster. Additionally, it can bake, toast, broil, dehydrate, and rotisserie. With a more compact 10-quart, 9,4 liters capacity. It accommodates birds up to 4,5 pounds, 2 kilograms. The stainless steel exterior gives it a sleek look, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. The Vortex Plus comes with several handy accessories, including a stainless steel rotisserie basket, rotisserie spit and forks, a retrieval tool, a drip pan, and 2 cooking trays. Like the NutriChef, it features a single heating element on top, ideal for achieving that perfect browning. While you can manually adjust the cooking temperature and time, it also offers a preset roasting button with automatic temperature control. Though it is the most expensive option on the list, its versatility sets it apart. Traditional roasters may serve multiple purposes but often lack the multifunctionality of a conventional oven. If you're looking for a unit that can do it all, the Vortex Plus is a great choice.